Factsverse presents 11 Facts About Earth. Number 1. The Earth's rotation is slowing down gradually. The rotation of the Earth has been slowing down, however, it happens very slowly. Studies have shown that its rotation has slowed approximately 17 milliseconds for every 100 years. This slower rate will make our days longer. You don't need to worry about seeing this in your lifetime, though. It'll take up to 140 million years for the length of a day to increase by 25 hours. Number 2. The Earth has its own magnetic field. Because the core of the Earth is made of nickel and iron, it can create a magnetic field. When you combine the Earth's core and its rapid rotation process, it creates a strong magnetic field. It is this magnetic field that protects the planet from the effects of solar winds. Number 3. 70% of the Earth's surface is water. The first time astronauts went into space and looked down at the Earth, they called it the Blue Planet. This is because 70% of the Earth is covered by water. The remaining 30% is covered by solid ground that is above sea level. Grass, rock, and dirt are what made up the remaining parts of the Earth when it was first seen from above. Number 4. The Earth is the only planet not named after a god. Of all of the planets, Earth is the only one not named after a god. The others were named after Roman gods or goddesses. The only planets that were named during ancient times were Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Venus, and Mercury. This is because they were the only ones that could be seen with the naked eye. After Neptune and Uranus were discovered, the Roman method of naming the planets went into effect. Number 5. It was once believed that the Earth was at the center of the universe. Because of the movement of the Sun and the planets in relation to where they could be seen, ancient scientists believed that the Earth stood still and the other planets, as well as the Sun, orbited around it. Over time, it was the view of the Sun being at the center of the universe. It was finally discovered that the Earth was never at the center of the universe, and neither is the Sun. Number 6. The Earth is not a perfect sphere. Many people believe that the Earth is a perfect sphere, but this is not the case. When the Earth spins, gravity points toward the center of the planet. This causes a force to push outward. This outward force gives the Earth extra masses of water and earth, which creates a bulge. This bulge makes the Earth more of an oval, not a perfect sphere. Number 7. The Earth moves incredibly fast. While you're standing on the Earth, it is spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour. What you may not know is that not only is the Earth spinning on its own, it is also moving around the Sun at the same time. At all times, the Earth spins around the Sun at 67,000 miles per hour. Considering how fast the planet is always moving, it's surprising that we can't feel the Earth moving at all. The actual reason that we don't feel the Earth moving is because the speed is constant. It doesn't slow down or excel, therefore you don't feel any motion. The movement of the Earth is similar to you being in a moving car. If you're in that vehicle on a smooth road going the same speed, you don't feel the movement then either. Number 8. The Earth is very old. Since there is nobody alive who was alive when the Earth was first formed, scientists had to use the oldest rocks and other items to determine how old the planet actually is. It's believed that the Earth was formed at the same time the solar system was formed. This would make the Earth about 4.54 billion years old. For years, scientists have been trying to dig up more and more artifacts to pinpoint the actual date that the Earth was formed. Unfortunately, this might not be something that could ever be done. Number 9. The hottest, coldest, and bumpiest places on Earth. Earthquakes happen quite often. However, most of them don't do much damage. The largest earthquake to ever shake the U.S. occurred on Good Friday, March 28, 1964. It was a magnitude of 9.2, and it struck Prince William Sound, Alaska. The world's largest earthquake occurred on May 22, 1990 in Chile. It was a magnitude of 9.5. The Earth even has its own hotspot. The hottest spot on Earth is in El Azizia, Libya, where the record temperature hit 136 degrees on September 13, 1922. This data was collected from a weather station. The coldest place on Earth is in Antarctica. During the winter, the temperature can drop to minus 100 degrees. The lowest temperature ever recorded on Earth was at Russia's Vostok Weather Station on July 21, 1983. The temperature that day dropped down to minus 128.6 degrees. Number 10. The Earth may have had 2 moons at one time. Many scientists believe there was once 2 moons. It's believed that there was a very small second moon that was just 750 miles wide, and it orbited the Earth with the larger moon. According to scientists, the 2 moons slammed into each other. This huge crash could explain why the 2 sides of the moon looked so different. Because there was nobody around way back then, we'll never know the truth. We can only go by what the scientists have discovered and hypothesized. Number 11. Pollution is killing the Earth. This is one of the most frightening facts about our Earth. Recent studies have shown that what the Earth looked like from outer space in 1978 will differ greatly with what it will look like in 2066. This is due to the way we are treating our planet. What was once a beautiful blue-green-white planet will one day look brown, gray, and black from space. It is important that we make the necessary changes now to keep this from happening. Subscribe for more.